Climate change is one of the most pressing issues facing our planet today. The scientific community agrees that it is happening, and that human activities are a major contributing factor. In this video, we'll explore the science behind climate change and its impacts on our planet. The Earth's climate is a complex system that is influenced by a variety of factors, including solar radiation, atmospheric composition, and ocean currents. One important factor is the greenhouse effect, which occurs when certain gases in the atmosphere trap heat from the sun and keep it from escaping back into space. This is what makes our planet habitable, as it keeps the average temperature at a comfortable level. However, human activities are causing an increase in greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, which is leading to an enhanced greenhouse effect and contributing to climate change. The evidence of climate change is all around us. Scientists have observed rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and changes in precipitation patterns that are affecting ecosystems and human societies around the world. For example, ocean acidification caused by the absorption of excess carbon dioxide is harming marine life, while rising temperatures are causing coral bleaching and changes in migration patterns of animals. Changes in weather patterns are leading to reduced crop yields and food shortages in some regions, while changes in water availability are affecting drinking water supplies and agriculture. Public health is also being affected, with an increase in heat waves and the spread of diseases carried by insects. Mitigation and adaptation are two strategies that can help address the impacts of climate change. Mitigation involves reducing greenhouse gas emissions through measures such as transitioning to renewable energy sources and improving energy efficiency. Adaptation involves preparing for and responding to the impacts of climate change, such as building sea walls to protect coastal communities from rising sea levels. There are international efforts underway to address climate change, such as the Paris Agreement, which aims to limit global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. Other initiatives include investments in renewable energy and efforts to build more sustainable cities. However, it will take action at all levels, from individuals to governments, to truly address this global challenge. Climate models predict that the impacts of climate change will continue to intensify in the coming decades, with rising temperatures, sea level rise, and more frequent extreme weather events. These changes could have significant impacts on ecosystems and human societies around the world. It's clear that we need to take urgent action to address climate change. Each of us can play a role in reducing our carbon footprint by making simple lifestyle changes, such as using energy-efficient appliances and reducing our use of single-use plastics. We can also advocate for policies that address climate change at a local, national, and international level, and support initiatives that help us transition to a more sustainable and resilient future. By working together, we can create a better future for ourselves and for generations to come.